If you find yourself standing in front of a Vietnamese funeral altar filled with incense smoke, feeling your heart race because you're worried about doing something disrespectful, please pause for a moment and take a deep breath. You are not alone. In fact, that anxiety is a quiet yet powerful farewell. It shows that you are present with your whole heart, with kindness and a sincere desire to send someone off in the most respectful way possible. In Vietnamese belief, the departed do not expect perfect gestures. They simply need to feel the sincerity that comes from your care and intention. A funeral is not just a farewell, it is a bridge connecting two worlds. To help you feel confident and respectful when attending a funeral in Vietnam, remember 3 simple steps that capture the spirit of Vietnamese farewell traditions. Stand, offer incense, bow. In Vietnamese culture, death is not seen as an ending, but as a sacred transition to the ancestral realm. For international visitors, these rituals may appear complex, but in reality they exist to support people during their most vulnerable moments. When grief feels overwhelming and the mind becomes uncertain, Vietnamese rituals provide a framework to guide the bereaved. Having clear roles and steps helps families stay grounded and composed, allowing them to fulfill their final duties with dignity. These rituals are not meant to create fear, they are meant to heal, helping the living express love through incense and bows. They are not strict barriers, but a silent language used to communicate with the departed, transforming grief into gentle remembrance. The philosophy of right, simple, sincere emphasizes devotion over extravagance. For international guests, this simply means: right, follow basic positioning and incense etiquette to show respect. Simple, simplicity keeps the space calm and undisturbed. Sincere, a quiet bow or a single stick of incense offered with sincerity is more meaningful than any elaborate gesture. 5 golden rules before participating in the ritual. Always face the altar. This shows presence and respect for the deceased. Move from outside toward the altar quietly and gently. Offer incense before bowing. Incense acts as a greeting before the bowing ritual begins. Even numbers of bows are typically used for the deceased, 2 or 4 bows. Sincerity matters more than perfection. Small mistakes are less important than a calm and respectful heart. Step 1. Where to stand, the distance of respect. Position: stand directly facing the altar, about 1.5 meters away. This space allows incense smoke to rise and maintains a respectful atmosphere. Posture: keep your back straight, slightly bow your head, and place your hands together in front of your chest as a sign of humility. Traditional positioning: left for men, right for women. Family members: from the altar's perspective facing outward, men stand on the left and women on the right. Guests: stand respectfully in the center and follow the family's guidance. Avoid standing too close or too far to maintain the solemn atmosphere. Step 2. Offering incense, connecting through smoke. Incense is considered a spiritual bridge connecting the living and the departed. Number of incense sticks. 1 stick represents unity and sincerity. 3 sticks represent heaven, earth, humanity. In Buddhist funerals, guests often offer 1 stick at the Buddha altar first, then 1 or 3 sticks at the memorial altar. How to offer incense. Light the incense gently and wave your hand lightly to extinguish the flame rather than blowing it out. Hold the incense with both hands at chest level, then raise it to forehead height. Suggested prayer. My name is, I am here to pay my respects. May you rest in peace. Step 3. Bowing, the language of respect. After placing the incense in the urn, step back and begin bowing. Order: offer incense, pray, place incense, step back, bow. Number of bows. 2 bows, for guests, friends, and colleagues. 4 bows, for children and close family members. Customs may vary by region. If this is your first time attending, simply observe those ahead of you and follow their rhythm. If bowing feels physically difficult, a deep respectful head bow is fully acceptable. Please remember this. Funeral rituals are not a test to judge right or wrong. They are a language to say to the departed, I remember you. I am grateful. I say goodbye with kindness. And for the living, they help the heart remain steady. If you remember only one thing, stand respectfully, offer incense properly, bow sincerely. That alone is enough. Vietnamese people do not expect perfection. We value your presence and your compassion. When the incense fades and the crowd thins, the sincerity you leave behind becomes the warmth that fills the quiet home. If you would like to learn more about the spiritual beauty of Vietnamese funeral culture, follow this channel to continue exploring. Please share this video to help others feel more confident and compassionate during life's most sensitive moments. If your family needs gentle and knowledgeable guidance for funeral rituals, we are always here to support you.